Welcome back to Craft and Chat. This is number 2 on my channel, and today we are going to be working on a Mabon inspired floral crown. Now the equinox is equated to some people as the pagan Thanksgiving, and it's really about being thankful for our abundance and gratitude and things like that, and people do a lot of things involving prosperity magic. Now, if you know me, I have some bones to pick with prosperity magic, money magic, and a couple of other magics that I, in my opinion, think witches and pagans tend to abuse in spell work. Now, there's nothing wrong with doing those things. It's just like, I swear, everywhere I turn, it's like someone's like, oh, do you know a love spell? Do you know a money magic spell? It's like, is that all you want magic for? Like, is that all you're using your craft for? Because that's so, like, it's so abusive. Like, not like abusive, but like, it's just like a waste of your time, because if you keep asking and asking and asking, it's obviously not going to work. Like, if you believe it, which I firmly believe in affirmation, like, you say it's going to happen, the energy of it, but the constant, oh, I want like $10,000, blah, 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 or I want someone to love me. Okay, well, you can't have that happen if you don't open yourself properly up for it. I don't know, it just makes me really sad. Like, you are more than just money magic. You are more than just love magic. And so is your craft. You need to take care of you and your spirituality. And you're more than just asking for basic things. That's not what's going to make you happy. You are going to make you happy. And it's simple as that. I am absolutely in love with this piece that I did. I'm waiting for some more headbands to come in the mail so I can make 2 more for my bestest friends in the whole wide world. But I just love fall. Mabon's my favorite. Me and my husband got married that day. It's just such a happy time of year. I love spooky season. Anyways, do you guys have a favorite Sabbath? Comment down below. And I hope I did better this time on my awkward voiceover. I decided to break up in little bitty parts to make it easier for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And here's the finished product. I hope you guys like it. I'm in love. And if you could hit that like and subscribe button, I would love it so much. Bye! Thank you for watching.